My family absolutely loves the salt and pepper shrimp recipe. It's so easy and will be ready in 10 minutes. All you have to do is follow along the step-by-step recipe, and with a few simple ingredients, you'll have it ready in no time. Slice 1 red chili pepper. If you don't like spicy food, you can replace it with a little bit of red bell pepper. Also slice 1 green chili pepper. You can also replace it with a little bit of green bell pepper. Slice 3 cloves of garlic. Chop 2 stalks of scallions. Here we have some deveined shrimp. Season the deveined shrimp with salt, white pepper, which gives a subtle heat, and black pepper, which brings a bold kick and a stronger heat. Using both white pepper and black pepper gives it a deeper and more complex flavors. Crack an egg in the shrimp and well combine. Toss the shrimp in cornstarch and mix until evenly coated. At this point, you can deep fry or air fry the shrimp, but both of my daughters agree that shallow frying brings out the best texture, and I will show you why in a bit. In a pan over medium-high heat, add the avocado oil. You can replace it with other high smoking point oil like sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, or peanut oil. Once the oil is hot, arrange the shrimp in the pan in a single layer. Shallow fry until crispy and golden brown for about 1 minute and 20 seconds per side. At this point, the shrimp is about 80% cooked through, as we'll finish cooking them in a stir fry later. Once done, remove the shrimp from the pan and drain. See, shallow frying gives you a great balance of crispiness and tenderness. The shrimp has a golden crispy crust while remaining super juicy on the inside. In a wok over medium heat, add about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Add salt, white pepper, black pepper, red chili pepper, green chili pepper, and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic for about 10 seconds. Return the shrimp and toss everything together. Lastly, add the scallions. The shrimp is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's a flavor of explosion with a taste of bold black pepper and a hint of heat from white pepper and fresh chilies. If you'd like to make another super tasty crispy shrimp recipe, check out the video right here. What is your favorite way to cook shrimp? Please comment below and share with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. It's so delicious, so tasty. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow and step-by-step Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!